Welcome to a new vlog. Today we're gonna have a trip to Eden Island from Hurghada. This trip is gonna last all day long, and now we are waiting for the driver to pick us up. We are in the lobby of the hotel, and I'm gonna keep you updated with all the details about this trip. And also I'm gonna leave a link in the description from where you can buy the ticket for the boat. I saw that this trip is not very common. It's like you don't see it everywhere. It's like a new destination that they having trips to, and can't wait to see how it's like, because in photos and in videos it looks amazing, and because it's quite new and not many people doing trips over there. It's like it's not that crowded as Orange Bay, so we expect to not be that crowded, hopefully, and we can enjoy it for ourselves. We arrived in the harbor after one hour. We had one stop more to take some tourists, and now we are heading to the boat. Let's see which one is ours. We are on the boat right now. We are waiting to go on the sea. Before we went on the boat, they asked us to take off our shoes. I don't know why this, but whatever. Hopefully it's gonna be nice. It's a little bit chilly right now, but I think at the moment we arrive there, it's gonna be fine. About 30 minutes later, we are still on the boat waiting to go, but it looks like everyone has to fill out the form, and we are still waiting. Small boat came to take us to the beach now. The sand is so fine, so smooth, very nice. I love it. I want to offer you an update about this island. So we arrived on the island after about 2 hours. We had 1 hour on our way, 1 hour waiting, and about 1 hour on the boat. So it's about 3 hours only to arrive here. After 3 hours we spent about 40 minutes on the island, then 20 minutes waiting on a boat to go for snorkeling. Yeah, so we had our snorkeling, which it was very nice. Indeed, the Red Sea is amazing. Everywhere we go, you'll see very nice fish in the water. You can't go wrong with this. Yeah, after snorkeling we came back to Eden Island because we had like 10 minutes by boat to the reef, and we came back on the island. We stayed about 2 hours more. We had lunch. The food was alright. The food was included in the price of the ticket. I haven't said that, and it was okay. It wasn't too bad, but not too good either. So it was like average, let's say like this. There's not many things to do on the island actually. It's just some beds with umbrellas, sit on the beach and relax. It's not even that good for snorkeling because it's like the water is very shallow, and there are some barriers. You can't go too far away from the beach because there are lots of boats around. Other than this, the island is amazing. The color of the water, it looks like Maldives. It's like the beach is a little bit wild in some areas, except the areas with some beds where they made a bar and everything. There are some swings as well. Here I'm in a, I don't know what's this. It's there are some areas like this with where you have like mattresses to sit and relax. There are some menus with cocktails like this. These ones, the cocktails are not included in the ticket price, so you have to pay them separately. As you see, the water has a magnificent color. So if you like to relax and have a beautiful view and don't mind being around lots of people, I think this is the perfect place. It's not that crowded though, but it's not that much different from a resort where you stay at the beach, have an all-inclusive lunch and enjoy snorkeling as well. You'll see on my channel I have few more, or there will be few more vlogs from Egypt. You'll see snorkeling and some other places that and some other trips that we bought. As you can see, there are some beds. Well, it's not really some bed, it's like a mattress on the sand. Every agency has put its own line, so you can't sit wherever you want. You have to sit where they give you your seat. And this is the dining area. Yeah, just normal tables. The food, it was like all inclusive. We had sweets and meat and other stuff. We have some relaxing areas here. It's like something on the roof, is like a bar or something. Here you can order the cocktails, and here are some more relaxing areas. Some swings here for Instagram. I don't know how great it's gonna be. Here's a souvenir shop and some more sitting areas. Yeah, and as you can see somewhere there, you can see some there are some people taking the rubbish out or whatever. As you can see, after that fence there are some sunbeds, and that's Paradise Island. Is very close one to another. To be honest, I don't think it's any difference, maybe only the price. This one is 60 euros, that one is 30 euros, it's like half price. I'm gonna leave a link for that trip as well, if you, in case you want to book it. I think, to be honest, I think it's better to book Paradise Island instead of Eden Island, because it's the same, absolutely the same thing. This one is as crowded as that one. It's not any difference, just the price. This one is double. I don't understand why, because that one has all-inclusive as well. You still have food included, you still have drinks included, you still have the trip included, so there's nothing different. Maybe this one is more wild and it's more narrow, you have more wild wild areas than the other one. I think that's the only difference, but I don't think 30 euros it's worth for this. And here I don't think it's a very good area to put the swings. It doesn't look very Instagrammable. Here the small boats take us to the big boats, because the big boats obviously they're too big for these shallow waters. So let me know in the comments what you think. That over there is Paradise Island. What do you think? Why would you pay double for this one instead of that one? I don't see any difference, to be honest. I will leave links to the trips anyways, in case I will leave links to other trips as well, in case you want to book. Also, although Egypt and Hurghada in general is presented like an all-inclusive destination, which it is, it's not necessarily mandatory to book from an agency. You can book like on your own through booking. I'll leave some links with some resorts all-inclusive that you can book on booking without paying double for the agency, because normally when you book on booking you have the price for 2 people, and when you book through the agency you have the price per person, which many times is double. Only you have to check for the flights and you're set. And also Uber works very well here, so you don't have to book anything through the agency. The people are not that savage as they make us think. They're very friendly, and I felt quite safe in Egypt so far. And now our day is coming to an end. So as this vlog, I hope you enjoyed it and I gave you useful information for your future trips. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys with the next adventure.